You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this Arabic name. We are talking here about the girl's name. Indeed, we'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary. Isis. It used to be a popular feminine woman's name, girl's name. Isis. In the Arabic world, it's gone a bit out of fashion, has to be said. It means throne, in fact, and it's of Egyptian origin. Isis. It's a beautiful name. Well, it was. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.